This is Dr. Tom Bernacki, and I'm talking about the 10 important benefits of bodyweight exercise, and we're starting now. Strength training is the single most important thing you can do for your health. This has been studied and debated conclusively in the British Journal of Medicine and the American Journal of Preventive Medicine. They did a large-scale analysis of tens of thousands of people, and they looked over numerous decades. And the single number one factor for people living longer and having less disease was resistance training. Now, this doesn't mean you have to go to the gym and start barking and thumping chests like a frat bro. This means you have to spend 5 to 10 to 15 minutes a few times a week working your muscles and working them progressively. This is so important. It increases the quality of your life as you get in the last decades of your life. It keeps you mobile, it keeps you active, it prevents diabetes, it helps prevent heart disease, it keeps you mobile, it keeps you happy. There's just so many benefits to this, and they showed that people who strength trained 3 times a week or more for at least 15 minutes had a 21% reduction in all-cause mortality. And if you added cardio on top of that, which strength training does as well, this raised it to 40% decreased all-cause mortality. That blows away any pill, any medication out there. So you have to look at these benefits of strength training. And in fact, we try and make it easy. We have guides on how to turn your health around, all the best foods, all the best supplements, all the best ways to recover. We have those down below. But let's talk about the benefits. Number 1, bodyweight exercises are adaptable, efficient, effective, and enjoyable for people of all fitness levels. They do not have to be dangerous. They do not have to be expensive. And I heard a cardiologist tell me once, the single most dangerous thing you can do is not working out. Working out is way safer than not working out. I had a lady who was basically 85 years old and had to use a cane. She started strength training, and weeks later, she did not need her cane anymore. They require no equipment and work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making workouts efficient. Bodyweight exercises are customizable, promoting individual preferences and abilities. Number 2, minimal space and equipment requirements. Bodyweight exercises debunk the myth of needing fancy gym equipment or ample space. You need hardly any room. You could almost do these in a closet. You don't have to go out and buy it. You don't have to wait to get started. You can get started right now. These bodyweight exercises offer improved strength, flexibility, and cardio, as well as overall health. Number 3, building a strong core. Bodyweight exercises contribute to building a strong core, accessible for the busy individual. They enhance strength, flexibility, and posture while toning the body. Regular incorporation of bodyweight exercise leads to a more robust core through your abdomen. You can stand straight, your posture is better. Number 4, improved flexibility. Bodyweight exercises are essential for improving flexibility, preventing injuries, and increasing range of motion. They enhance joint stability and reduce age-related issues like arthritis. Convenient exercises for a healthy and active lifestyle. Number 5, supporting muscle growth. Bodyweight exercises support muscle growth without requiring expensive gym equipment or gym memberships. Exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges target multiple muscle groups, promoting size and strength. So the big ones are push-ups. So essentially, you can get up against the wall and just push until you get tired. You can lean forward more, and that works it even harder. Squats, just put your hands down here, feet shoulder length apart, and go up and down, up and down. Lunges, essentially, it's like a squat, but you're going single leg forward and single leg forward. That is unbelievably helpful. Just doing that is so helpful. Doing those 3 exercises alone, at least 2 to 3 times per week, will change your life. You can customize exercise for effective challenge and progression. Number 6, burning calories and weight loss. Body weight exercise can burn calories, boost metabolism, and support weight loss. They require little to no equipment and can be tailored to various fitness levels. Versatile exercise that can replace gym workouts for calorie burning. Number 7, they boost endurance and performance. Hey, strength training is actually cardiovascular. You don't have to run on the treadmill. Bodyweight exercises enhance endurance and improve performance in various physical activities. Building strength and muscular endurance leads to better performance in sports and everyday life. In fact, it's the number one thing for those. It's essential for maintaining good physical health and prolonging physical activities. Number 8, enhancing balance and mobility. Incorporating bodyweight exercises into a fitness routine enhances balance, coordination, and mobility. Engaging multiple muscle groups improves stability, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. Improves joint range of motion and flexibility for ease of movement. Number 9, improving posture. Bodyweight exercises promote better posture and overall well-being by engaging your core muscles. They provide a sustainable alternative to traditional weightlifting, and this reduces the risk of back injury. It increases mobility and strengthens the body. It offers a variety of benefits that are unmatched by other forms of exercise. And number 10, you boost your muscle and joint strength, preventing joint injury and joint pain. Bodyweight exercises skyrocket your muscle and joint strength. Nothing else compares. It's suitable for beginners, and you can start immediately. You need nothing. It provides a full body workout without the need for a gym membership. But the big secret is this: it is better than any medication, any pill, any treatment, any supplement, and anyone can start, especially older people. I've had so many patients who had back fusions, hip replacements, every type of injury in the world. But as you start strength training, it's safer than cardio, and it helps almost immediately with good hormones. If you're a man or a woman as well, immediately within an hour or two of strength training, your testosterone and good hormones shoot up about 15 to 30%. And as you do it for a couple months, your testosterone is 20 to 30 points higher consistently. And then every time you work out on top of that, it's spiking even more, getting you stronger, giving you more energy, less depression, better sex drive. And then number 2, layer in cardio. Cardio and strength training, you had a 40% less chance of all-cause mortality or disease throughout your life. These exercises are so beneficial. Now, if you watch through all these benefits, here's the best supplements to take. The best supplement is food. In your foods, you want to get a few things. You want to get protein. So getting enough protein is the second biggest key behind resistance training. If you weigh 200 pounds, you want to get about 200 grams of protein. So 1 gram of protein per 1 pound. If you're in Europe, then you want 2 grams per kilogram. So that's roughly how the math works, but that is the second biggest thing. After that, the second best supplement is creatine. I have videos about creatine, but essentially taking 5 grams a day of creatine will instantly skyrocket your results. I've heard it compared that 3 months of working out with creatine will get you the results of 4 months with creatine. So that's very beneficial, and that can start helping immediately. Number 3, you want to consider things like omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help improve blood flow, decrease inflammation. They help with just so many things. They're so well studied. In fact, I have a great video on all the best supplements and the 7 best foods that you should be eating to skyrocket your muscle growth. And it's also very important to be getting sleep. People who sleep less than 6 hours, the next day they have much lower testosterone, less muscle recovery, and much higher blood sugar levels. So sleep properly, eat properly, and strength train at least 3 times per week. You won't be sorry. It's one of the best things. In fact, it is the best thing for your health that you can do, overwhelmingly.